Hey guys, welcome to our tips and tricks series where we'll cover all things SOLIDWORKS. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips like these 3 awesome time savers. Alright, let's start with one of the best shortcuts inside of SOLIDWORKS, and that is the S key. Whether we're in a part, assembly, drawing, or sketch, we can press the S key at any time to access commonly used commands, and also a handy little command search, which will show me exactly where I can find that command in the user interface. Now, as well as that, this menu is fully customizable. I can right-click on the command manager, select Customize, and then click over to the Shortcut Bars tab, and you'll see that I have different shortcut bars for parts, assemblies, drawings, and sketches. Using the search bar at the top of this window, I can search for any command, in this case circular pattern, and I can add that to my shortcut bar. Then that command is instantly accessible anytime by pressing the S key. Now, while the shortcut menus in the S key are really accessible, it doesn't have to end there. You can add commands almost anywhere in the interface, including the Quick Access toolbar or Command Manager tabs. In that same Customize window, there's a Commands tab. On that tab, I can search for any command and drag the icon onto the tab or toolbar I'd like to add it to. If we're trying to save time, there's no quicker way to access a command than to have it right next to our mouse. When holding the right mouse button and slowly dragging in any direction, SOLIDWORKS reveals a wheel of commands. In the Customize menu, on the Mouse Gestures tab, I can choose to have 2, 3, 4, 8, or 12 commands available. Then I can search for a command and add it to either the part, sketch, assembly, or drawing wheels. This is a fantastic way to have all the commands we're frequently using directly accessible at any time. As one final bonus tip, always make sure to save your settings after making customizations to SOLIDWORKS. This way you always have something to go back to if you switch computers or reinstall SOLIDWORKS. At the bottom of the Tools menu, you'll see a command called Save/Restore Settings. And this opens the SOLIDWORKS settings wizard. That'll allow you to essentially save out an SLD-REG file, and you can then restore from that file later on if need be. So take advantage of the extremely customizable nature of SOLIDWORKS. It's one of the things that makes it the best CAD system out there. For more tips and tricks just like this, be sure to subscribe so you can get all of the SOLIDWORKS insights.